Automate product feedback collection from customer with n8n. Advanced no-code AI automation tutorial. Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no-code tutorial. Today we're going to build a complete AI-powered product feedback collection system that automatically captures, organizes, and analyzes customer feedback using n8n, Google Sheet, Slack, Airtable, and OpenAI. You'll learn how to collect feedback automatically from any form, store and organize data in Google Sheet and Airtable, notify your team in real time on Slack, use OpenAI to summarize customer opinion, and generate automatic weekly reports. Let's get started. The first step is to capture the customer feedback the moment it's submitted. In n8n, add a webhook trigger node and name it Customer Feedback Input. This node listens for new feedback submission from your website, Typeform, Google Form, or chatbot. Copy the webhook URL. This is the production URL, localhost webhook custom feedback. Paste it into your feedbacks form integration. Now every time a customer sends feedback, n8n triggers instantly. This ensures you never miss a single comment or rating. Everything flows straight into your automation. Step 2 is to clean and rename your fields. For example, rename customer name is name. Let's open it. So the customer name is name, customer email will be the email, the rating will be rating, the message will be the feedback, and add a new field timestamp that is equal with the date from now. This makes all your data consistent and easy to map later in other tools. Now we log all customer feedback automatically. Add a Google Sheet node, connect your account and set Operation Append, Spreadsheet, Customer Feedback Tracker, and the sheet name sheet 1 for example. Also map this field, the name, that is name, the email, the rating, the feedback, and the timestamp. Now every submission adds a new structure row in Google Sheets. This gives you a historical log of all the feedback ready for analytics, pivot tables, or Looker Studio dashboard. Next step is to send instant Slack notification. We don't just want to store feedback, we want the team to see it immediately. Add a Slack node, connect your workspace, and set. The operation will be post, the channel customer feedback, and the message template will be this. New feedback, JSON name, JSON rating, and JSON feedback. Now every time new feedback arrives, your team sees it in real time, great for fast reaction and customer engagement. Next, let's make it smart. Add an OpenAI node and connect your OpenAI credential. We will use it to generate quick summaries or sentiment analysis of customer feedback. A prompt example will be this. Summarize the following customer feedback in one short paragraph. Highlight the main positive and negative themes and JSON feedback. This will create a short AI summary you can attach to your Slack message, Airtable record, or weekly report. To make the feedback easier to explore visually, add an Airtable node. Operation will be absurd, the base will be your customer feedback data, and the table the feedback entries. Fields to map will be the name, the email, the rating, the feedback, the AI summary, and timestamp. This gives your team a rich dashboard to filter, search, and analyze feedback with tags, colors, and views. Now your automation not only reacts, it reports intelligently. Now let's see all the workflow. Okay. Submit a test form and watch the chain reaction. The webhook triggers, the data clean, save to Google Sheet, send to Slack, analyzed by work OpenAI and stored in Airtable. Weekly summary schedule. All without a single manual step. That's the real power of AI automation and no-code tools like n8n. You just built a complete product feedback collection automation, fully AI powered, fully no code. With this workflow, you'll save hours every week, never lose feedback, and gain instant insights into how your customer feels. If you enjoy this build, hit subscribe because I post new n8n and AI automation tutorials every day to help you automate smarter and scale faster. Keep automating and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.